Recently I came back from my trip, and the one thing that helped me a lot in my whole trip I want to share, and that is my steam iron from Jack and Rose. Till now I tried a few steam iron. Some are bulky, it's very hard for the wrist to hold it for long, and some don't perform well, but this one so far ticks all the boxes. So it's from Jack and Rose. I bought it from Amazon. The steam iron comes with one mitten and one velvet case. That's how it looks. I bought in green color, water tank, on and off button, program button, dry, high, low. This is the steam thing, and the cool thing is you can twist, so you can do iron like this or this. Use this at my home and on my trips as well, and it won't take much space in your bag either. So I plugged in. This is the on button. Turn it on and you can see the light blinks on all these three. It will take few seconds and then I can select which program I want to do. So now the blinking is stop and I'll put it on high. First cloth we try on, it's a pure cotton, it's a pillowcase. You can see it's a quite wrinkly. Side by side, after the steam iron, without the steam iron. So the second fabric I tried it on the cotton t-shirt. It's a pure cotton t-shirt. So this is the iron side. This is the without iron one. So I'm gonna use it's on low. And another best thing about this, it don't spit water from the iron at all. Now we try it on the most sophisticated fabric. It's organza dupatta. And I'm gonna use this on the low heat setting. So it's still blinking and now it stops. So I'll set my thing. It's on low and that's it. Let's try this on a cotrai pant as well. Obviously we'll use it on the high because of the thick fabric. It's very easy to fill the water tank as well. You can see there is a slide button. Just slide and pull. So here is the water tank. Fill it this with the water, clip it on and slide back. This adapter with me all the time. It's very handy. Whichever country you can use the plugs from there. It has 3 USBs, 1 USB-C. Both of these are available on Amazon and the product links are available below my video.